Hi, welcome to CyberAlphabet. Let's learn some network basics. A computer network is a group of computers linked to each other that enables the computer to communicate with another computer and share their resources, data, and applications. Different types of networks are LAN, Local Area Network, PAN, Personal Area Network, MAN, Metropolitan Area Network, WAN, Wide Area Network. Local Area Network, LAN is a group of computers connected to each other in a small area such as building, office. It is used for connecting two or more personal computers through a communication medium such as twisted pair, coaxial cable, etc. It is less costly as it is built with inexpensive hardware such as hubs, network adapters, and Ethernet cables. The data is transferred at an extremely faster rate in local area network. Local area network provides higher security. Personal area network, PAN, is a network arranged within an individual person, typically within a range of 10 meters. It is used for connecting the computer devices of personal use is known as personal area network. Personal area network covers an area of 30 feet. Metropolitan area network, this is a network that covers a larger geographic area by interconnecting a different LAN to form a larger network. Government agencies use MAN to connect to the citizens and private industries. In MAN, various LANs are connected to each other through a telephone exchange line. The most widely used protocols in MAN are RS-232, Frame Relay, ATM, ISDN, OC3, ADSL, etc. It has a higher range than Local Area Network, LAN. And finally, Wide Area Network. A WAN is a network that extends over a large geographical area such as states or countries. It is quite bigger network than the LAN and not limited to a single location, but it spans over a large geographical area through a telephone line, fiber optic cable or satellite links. The Internet is one of the biggest WAN in the world. A wide area network is widely used in the field of business, government, and education. For data communication to take place and two or more users can transmit data from one to other, a systematic approach is required. This approach enables users to communicate and transmit data through efficient and ordered path. It is implemented using models in computer networks and are known as computer network models. Computer network models are responsible for establishing a connection among the sender and receiver and transmitting the data in a smooth manner respectively. Next, we are going deep into the network layers in OSI model. The physical layer. The physical layer is the bottom-most layer and is associated with electrical, mechanical, and functional aspects of the transmission media for information and receiving over Internet. The data link layer. The data link layer is second from bottom and comes under the lower layer category. It ensures that the data must be synchronized, error detection and control are enabled. The network layer. The network layer is third from bottom in OSI model and is responsible for establishing data communication channel between multiple networks or devices or hosts or nodes. The transport layer, it is the middlemost layer in OSI model and it acts as network independent layer. It has no idea about the functioning of lower layer, i.e. physical, data link and network layers. The session layer. This is the fifth layer of OSI model and it provides appropriate sessions between users and entities, where user interacts. This layer can be used on the basis of resources available and it can be skipped too if not required. For example, login sessions in online banking. The presentation layer. This is the sixth layer of OSI model and it provides appropriate representation of data through various data presentation techniques. The application layer. This is the topmost layer of the OSI model and has the responsibility for providing interface between various users and application. Next we are going to understand the TCP/IP model. The TCP/IP model was developed prior to the OSI model. This model consists of 5 layers: the application layer, transport layer, network layer, data link layer and physical layer. The first 4 layers provide physical standards, network interface, internetworking, and transport functions that correspond to the first 4 layers of the OSI model, and these 4 layers are represented in TCP/IP model by a single layer called the application layer. TCP/IP is a hierarchical protocol made up of interactive modules, and each of them provides specific functionality. This image will give you a clear idea about the layers and their functionalities of both the network models. Next topic is network protocols. Each layers in the models we have learned before. Different types of protocols are used for communication. Let's look at some of them. First one is TCP, Transmission Control Protocol, is a popular communication protocol which is used for communicating over a network. It divides any message into series of packets that are sent from source to destination, and there it gets reassembled at the destination. Next, IP, Internet Protocol, is designed explicitly as addressing protocol. It is mostly used with TCP. The IP addresses in packets help in routing them through different nodes in a network until it reaches the destination system. TCP/IP is the most popular protocol connecting the networks. Next, UDP, User Datagram Protocol, a substitute communication protocol to Transmission Control Protocol implemented primarily for creating loss-tolerating and low-latency linking between different applications. Next, POOP, Post Office Protocol, is designed for receiving incoming emails. SMTP, Simple Mail Transport Protocol, is designed to send and distribute outgoing email. File Transfer Protocol, FTP, allows users to transfer files from one machine to another. Types of files may include program files, multimedia files, text files, and documents, etc. Hypertext Transfer Protocol, HTTP. HTTP is designed for transferring a hypertext among 2 or more systems. And HTTPS is abbreviated as Hypertext Transfer Protocol. Secure is a standard protocol to secure the communication among 2 computers, one using the browser and other fetching data from web server. HTTP is used for transferring data between the client browser, request, and the web server, response, in the hypertext format. Same in case of HTTPS, except that the transferring of data is done in an encrypted format. So it can be said that HTTPS thwart hackers from interpretation or modification of data throughout the transfer of packets. And finally, Telnet, it is a set of rules designed for connecting one system with another. The connecting process here is termed as remote login. The system which requests for connection is the local computer, and the system which accepts the connection is the remote computer. There are many more protocols up in there in network. Let's Google and understand them. Next video is about setting up your personal ethical hacking lab. Stay tuned. Like, share, subscribe. CyberAlphabet, for a safe internet.